Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card and see what we need to hear today. Mindfulness is a pause, the space between stimulus and response. That's where choice lies. Tara Brock. Action. Train yourself to respond thoughtfully rather than react emotionally. If you are feeling emotional, take a time out until you have calmed down before responding. All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's pick the little cute one and see what is inside. Right now, your assignment is you. Water you. Being happy is the best way to boost your immune system. You deserve good things in your life. Listen closely to the people who care enough to help you grow. And the last one today. The body feels what the mind suppresses. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.